Hello guys, I will be working on a Macbook A1502. Board number is 8204924. So what's happening is this is no display, and the customer who left it here saying that it's not turning on, but for me it's actually turning on. Okay, I will show you here. So keep an eye on the DC power supply, see the readings. So it's actually turning on, but oh sorry, I have to connect it again. Not even backlight. Let's put some light on it. I don't see any Apple logo, but on DC power supply, for me, it is turning on. But I also don't hear any chime, startup chime. So, okay. Now start again. I don't know why it turns off. So we have got, you can read 12. We have got 5. We have got 1.2. Do we have 3.3 as well? See 3.3. So we have got 1.2, 12, 5. All the rails are present in this turning on stage. But why there is no display? Because screen looks okay. So the next thing I will suggest, if you come to this sort of situation, now laptop is on, right? But we are not getting any display. So rather than going back and checking display IC or any other stuff, why don't always go here, display connectors, and check the power lines, which is I'm gonna do now. I might be wrong, I don't know, but laptop is on state but no display, so we will check here. Did you find it, Mini?
Oh, I can only find soft.
Yeah, that's fine. You can put soft. Soft is same. Wait. Now I'm gonna turn it off for a minute so that I don't short anything. Just remove it. Okay, now we are going to check here on this MacBook. We should get 3.3 and 5 volt pins. I don't remember. We will look at the diagram. So let me check. Okay, let's check the diagram first. Okay, so this is the one here, and okay, these are the display connectors. Okay, now as you can see, here pin number, which is 5, we should get 3.3 volt. Let's check here 5 volt line. I think those were the 3 ones. No 5 volt, no 5 volt, no 5 volt. Okay, and this looks like connected to this component here. Let's check here again. So this 5 volt line is connected to this fuse here, and then connect it here, and then connect it to U8300. Okay, this is important, U8300 from my previous repairs. So this is 5 volt, so this is connected to 5 volt S3 line. So what I would like to check is on pin number 4 on U83 if we have got 5 volt. Yeah, can you see we got 5 volt here? So we know all the rails are present, and then we should have 5 volt. I will show you here so that you can see. Go back here, and pin number 6 is supplying 5 volt to these LCD connectors. So we should have 5 volt here. Oh, I have to bring you on microscope. See, got nothing here, but we got 5 volt here. So this U8300 could be faulty. To be very honest, I should have removed the board so that I can look the other side as well, but I think the problem is U8300. But let's remove this. What do you think? Should we? Okay, let's remove the key. Even then, if it's not working, that is where I will remove the board and look at the other side. We have a donor board here, and we have got a U8300. So take it out and solder it here. There you go. Put it here. Since the board I haven't removed, so I put the heat resist tape. The easiest Macbook board, which is most of the technician they like working on, is Macbook Air A1466. Easy to fix. These are a bit complicated, man. Come on, man. Wow. That's taking long. Okay, I will get the temperature a little bit higher. It was on 480. Okay, let's get a little bit higher now. What? Are you crazy, Mr. U8300? Remember how easily it came out from the donor board because the board was out, but so finally it came out. The reason was I was using the long nozzle and the heat was not transferring properly. Anyway, so I would like to give it a clean, tint it, and then put the new IC. Just one thing before we do anything, I would like to check the resistance. On the LCD size. All good. All good. Okay, now let's see if this was what the problem. Hello, good morning. Okay. Winnie, can you sign on this paper, please?
I can just pop your name in if you like.
Yeah, Zeph.
Okay, that's cool. We'll go back and I'll just do it the other way. It's fantastic.
Thank you very much.
Have a good day.
You too. Thank you. Okay, it look acceptable. Okay, what else? That's all. And where is the screwdriver? I can hold it. Yes, turning on fine. No display so far.
You get it? And I got a few extra.
There you go. Finally. Keep going, boy. Keep going.
Is there a password in this box?
Okay, guys, that turns on fine. Thank you very much for watching. See you in next video. Take care. Bye.